Today we will be going over the seal kit replacement on a Char-Lynn Eaton hydraulic motor. Here we have our OEM seal kit replacement, and we will be doing a disassembly and inspection of this hydraulic motor to identify any other failures as we go along. Now we have disassembled the hydraulic motor and we can examine its parts. Here is the drive link. We will make sure there is no wear along this gearing here. And here we have the outer ring and we have the inner rotor. And then there are the displacement cavities. So fluid will move from area of low pressure to high pressure, and that's what creates the movement inside the hydraulic motor. And then we have various plates. And this bearing, which will be replaced as well. Here is the housing, and as you can see, actually in the housing, you can see there is quite a bit of trash and contaminants within the hydraulic oil. In this case, metal shavings were in the hydraulic oil. And we are going to decontaminate and check for any excessive wear. Then we will install our factory seal kit and give it a test. Now we have the hydraulic motor decontaminated and cleaned. We've measured everything, making sure there is no defects or any sort of excessive wear. And now we are going to reassemble and test this motor. Now we will do a function test of the hydraulic motor. So we will go ahead and start. We have our DC supply hooked up to the valve here. And we have our test fixture hooked up to the hydraulic motor that's repaired. And we are going to go ahead and start the operation. Here we will test for proper function and check for any leaks under full pressure. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.